In this video, I'm going to show you how to add music to Instagram post on PC. So in order to do this, you'll have to first of all open Instagram into your PC. So navigate to any browser you have, then open Instagram, make sure you are logged in. Then navigate to a new tab and search for extensions. Now click Chrome Web Store, or you can also click on extensions at the top and click manage extensions. Now click get extensions for your browser. Then search for INSSIST. Hit enter. Now install this extension, that is INSSIST web client for Instagram. Click get. Now click add extension. After you add this extension to your browser, you can easily add music to your Instagram through your PC. Otherwise, you won't be able to do that anyhow. You can click create, start it, but you won't be able to add music anyhow. Now, after you install this extension, Instagram will instantly open up with the assistant at the left, or you can also refresh the Instagram page that you had previously logged into. Now, cut out all the extensions tab and click assistant option. Now, click publish a story, or you can also publish an ad, or you can also publish a post. So click create and schedule. Now click add files. Now simply choose the picture that you want to post, and here you can easily add music. As you can see, the music option is available just right here. You can write a caption if you want and click music icon. Now search for the music that you want to add. For example, I will add blinding lights. I will select it, click allow access. Click allow again. Now, as you can see, I'm able to add music to this post. I can also click reel and start and post a reel or a story. After you click post, click publish. Now, before doing this, make sure you have Inssist Pro, because music tracks are available with Inssist Pro. You can click get Inssist Pro at the bottom right, upgrade to a pro plan for a monthly or an yearly plan. Activate this and you'll be easily able to publish it on Instagram. So that is the only working method through which you can add music to Instagram post on PC. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.